Good morning children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Dear children, in the last video we have solved up to question number 11 from exercise 3 and today we are going to continue with question number 12. But before it, open your homeworks and match the answers from the board. So students, question number 12 in your textbook, look. Find the question then remainder. This type of question also I have explained you in exercise 1. Remember, see students, in question number 11 we have multiplied the given number with 10, 100 and 1000, means number which ends with zeros. And here in this question we are going to divide the given number with 10, 100, 1000, means numbers which are ending with zeros. And students, in the first exercise I told you one trick to solve division question if the dividend is divided with 10, 100 or 1000. What was that trick? Remember, let us just revise. That trick was, see here, this number is divided with 1000, divided by 1000. How many zeros are there in 1000? 3 zeros. So surely students, this last 3 digits will be your remainder. You can divide and check. Surely you are going to get this as remainder. So simply here I am writing 532 and the rest of the digits will be your question, 328. Clear students? Let us use that trick again. Here again 1,08,536 divided by 100. How many zeros 100 has? 2 zeros. So by this you can decide that last 2 digits will be surely your remainder. So in the remainder I am writing 36 and rest of the digits will become our question. Clear students? But this is a trick. You should know how to solve it, means you should know the proper way also, why we are getting this much as quotient and remainder. So let us understand students. So 3,28,532 divided by 1000. See students, when you will divide this given number with 1000, just read the number again. How many thousands you can take out from this number, it will be clear. 1000 is there, na? So 3,28,000. Then what is the rest of the digits? 532. And 532 surely will not come in the table of 1000. But see, 3,28,000. 3,28,000 is exactly divisible with 1000. So by that also we came to know that when we will divide this given number with 1000, so 328 into 1000, you will get 328,000. That means 328, that's why will be your quotient, and the rest of the digits which is in 100 will be your remainder. Again I am explaining you students. Look, 1,08,536 divided by 100. Now you have to find out what will be the question for dividing this given number with 100 and how much will be the remainder. You have to divide it with 100 now. So let us see from this number how many hundreds we can take out. So that much 100 will be our quotient and rest of the value will be our remainder. Let us see, I am again reading the point. 1,08,500. Okay, after 500 I will read it as 36. So students, you only tell, is it possible to divide 36 with 100? No, because 36 is not going to come in the table of 100. Na? But what I read these numbers as, I read it as 1,08,500. So surely 1,08,500 is exactly divisible with 100 without leaving any remainder. How many times? 1085 times. When we will multiply 1085 with 100, you are going to get 1,08,500 and the rest of the digit will be your remainder, that is 36. I hope it is clear. Again I am using that method only students. Now again we have to see this number and we have to divide it with 1000. So let us see how many thousands we can take out from the given number. First read the number, 1,87,325. See students, what I am reading it as? I am reading it as 325. Okay, and what I am reading this 3 numbers as? It is read as 1,87,000. So again 1,87,000 will be divided with 1000 exactly. How many times? 187 into 1000 will give you 1,87,000. Clear students? So what will be the remainder? Which is the number which is not divisible with 1000, that is 325 will be our remainder. Okay, let us see the next next number, next question, 93,25,675 divided by 10. No problem. So again I am reading the number, students. 93,25,675. 670. 70 ends with 0, means 70. What is the place value of 70? It is 10. 70. And we know that 70 is completely divisible with 10. What is left, student? After 70 I will be reading as 5, that is 75. So that means 93257. When I divide this number with 10, I will get 9,32,567 as questioned, and what will be the remainder? The last digit. See here only 10 na, so remainder will be only your last digit. Okay, now 932567 into 10 when you will do, you will surely get 93,25,670. Clear, students? Okay, this question I will be telling you with trick. Let us see how many digits? 3 digits. What will be the remainder? You are going to answer. Can you tell the remainder, students? If the number is divisible with 1000, 1000 ends with 30. So what will be the remainder? Remainder will be last 3 digits, 175, and your quotient will be rest of the digits, 428. Want to check with the correct method also? Let us see. So I'll read this number, I'll take out thousands. Okay, 4,28,000, after that 175, and this is for sure. मुझे ये मालूम है कि 175 तो 1000 के टेबल में नहीं आएगा. कितना आ रहा है, स्टूडेंट्स? 4,28,000. So 4,28,000 is exactly divisible with 1000. Clear? So that's why our question is 428. Clear, students? Okay, last point. So again we'll use the trick, 3 digits. The number is ending with 3 zeros, so last 3 digits will be your remainder and rest of the numbers will be your question. So 3285 multiplied with 1000, you are going to get 32,85,000, and this 731 will be your remainder. This is same as the question which we have solved in exercise 1. Remember now, students? Still again I have explained you. Now I hope that this question is very clear to you. Okay, now let us quickly see our next question, that is question number 13. Note it down. So students, let us see the next question, that is question number 13. Okay, 13th question is find the question and check the answer. So students, again here we have to divide, and then we have to get the quotient and remainder, and then we have to check our answer. How to check our answer, students? For division, dividend equals to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Okay, so let us see, students. So here first question is 5,24,783 divided with 126. So let us divide, students. Here 3 digits are there, 1, 2, 6. Here first I will take 3 digits, 524. Yes, I can divide it. So 126, let us do the rough work. I told you to do the rough work. Now for division we have to do the rough work. We have to take the divisor and we have to multiply it with different numbers so that we can get the number which is given in dividend or the number closer to it. So 126, students. So let me multiply 126 with 3, students. 3 6 are 18. 3 2s are 6, 7, 3 1s are 3, 378, but I want 524, so let us try another number. 126, 5s are 5 6 are 30, 5 2s are 10, 11 12 13, 5 1s are 5, 6 30. It is greater, means surely 126 4s are we can take, 4 6s are 24, 4 2s are 8, 9 10, 4 1s are 4, 5. 504 we are getting, students. So that means 126 4s are is 504. Let us subtract, students. 4 minus 4 0, 2 minus 0 2, then 5 minus 5 0. Now I am taking down is 7. So I am getting now 207. 207 means, students, let us multiply 126 with 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4 5, 2 1s are 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4 5, 2 1s are 2. So 252. But I want 207. So 252 is greater than 207. That's why we'll divide this number with 126 only. Means 126 ones are 126. Now again 7 minus 6 1. I have to borrow 1 here. It will become 10. 10 minus 2 8. Here it will be 1. 1 minus 1 0. Okay. Now let us take down 8 818 I am getting, students. Now 126 6 are, let us do 6 6 are 36, 6 2 are 12, 13 14 15, 6 1s are 6 7, 6 6 are 36, 6 2 are 12, 13 14 15, 6 1s are 6 7. Okay, 756. Let me try with 126 7s are also, students. 7 6 are 42, 4 carry over, 7 2s are 14, 15 16 17 18, 7 is 7 8. 7 6 are 42, 7 2 are 14, 15 16 17 18, 7 is 7 8. Okay, 882. That means I have to take 6 are na. 126 6 are 756. Let us subtract, students. 8 minus 6 2. Borrow 1, it will become 11. 11 minus 5 will give you 6. Here 7 minus 7 0. Last number from the dividend, students. 623. Here I have for various multiples, so let us match. 623. Here 126 5s are, we are getting 630, students. That means I can multiply 126 with 4, I'll get 504. So here I am taking 126 4s are 504. Now we will get our remainder, students. So 13 minus 4 will get 9. Here 1 will left, and 6 minus 5 again 1. So students, my quotient is 4164 and my remainder is 119. Let us check now it is correct or not. So now I am rubbing this, and here we are going to check. Formula I am not writing, students, but you have to write in exam. Okay, for many questions we have already written the formula, so simply I am doing the checking here. Okay, but in exam you have to write the formula. So quotient into divisor. So 4164 multiplied by 126 plus remainder, which is 119. Okay, students, so why we have to multiply 4164 with 126? Let us match. Again, this is rough work, students. This much rough work you also have to do. Here I am rubbing, but while solving you are going to put a margin on the right hand side of your paper, and then you are going to do the rough work there. Okay, no need to rub. Okay, 6 4s are, we'll get 6 4s are 24, then 6 6 are 36, 37, 38, 3 carry over, 6 1s are 6, 7, 8, 9, 6 4s are 24. Fine. 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2, 3, 2 4s are 8. Okay. Then 4, 6, 1, 4. Let us see how much we are getting, students. 4, 8 plus 8, 16. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 2, 6, 7, 7 plus 9, 10, 16, 4 plus 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and here 5. I am getting 5, 2, 4, 6, 6, 4 as the product. So here I will write 5,24,664 plus remainder, which is 119. I can directly add here, students. 4 plus 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, 1 carry over, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. Okay, then 6 plus 1, 7, then 5,24,783. This much we got. Let us check our dividend. 5,24,783. That means our answer is perfect. Clear, students? Okay, so like this we divide and we have checked our answer, which is correct. Now let us see point number B also, students. So you may note it down. Now I am explaining you point B here. 42,85,173. We have to divide it with 215. Let us divide without any delay, students. So here 215. Na? So again I have to do the rough work. I have to find various multiples of 215. So 215, 2s are, let us do. 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 3, 2 2s are 4, 430, which is greater than 428. So that means here we are going to take 215 only. 215 1s are 215. Let us subtract 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 minus 1, 1. Okay, this much I got. Now here I am taking down 5. So now 2135. Now again let us check with another multiple. So here I am taking 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 6, 7, 5 2s are 10. 1075, but I want 2135 students. So let us check it with 215 9s are. Okay,
9 5s are 45, 9 1s are 9, 10 11 12 13, 9 2s are 18, 19, 1935. Then 215 10s are, we'll get 2150, which is greater than 2135. That means this we have to take. So 215 9s are, I'll take 1935. Okay, 5 minus 5 0, 3 minus 3 0, 11 minus 9 2 here. Okay, then ones are 2001 na? Okay, let us try 215 8s are, 8 5s are 40, 8 1s are 8, 9 10 11 12, 8 2s are 16 17. See students, 1722, 8 5s are 40, 8 1s are 8, 9 10 11 12, 8 2s are 16 17. Yeah, so but we want 2001. That means again here I can't multiply 215 with 8 because then I'll get less than it, but I can again take it with 9. 215 9s are 1935. Let us subtract students. 11 minus 5 6. Here 9 left, 9 minus 3 6, again 9 left, 9 minus 9 0, 1 minus 1 0. Now we will take down 7, that means 667. This rough work I am rubbing on this side. Okay, so 667 we want. 215 2s are 430 we know, and 215 5s are 1075 we know. So now let us multiply it with 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3 4, 3 2s are 6. Very near to 667 na students. So 215 3s are we are going to take, we'll get 645. Again subtract 5, 6 7 2 0. Last digit from the dividend, that is 223. 223 na students. So that means again I have to take it with 1. 215 ones are 215. How much is the remainder? Let us see. 13 minus 5, 6 7 8, 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 2 0. So students, here my remainder is only single digit 8. So we have solved this question also. Now checking is left na. So let us check now our question test correct or not. We got the question test 19,931. So students, check. 19931 multiplied by the question, that is 215, plus the remainder, that is 8. So let us multiply students. Here only I am doing the rough work as no space. 19931 into 215. Okay students, let us multiply this. 19931 into 215. 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 9s are 45, 46, 5 9s are 45, 47, 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 9s are 45, 46, 5 9s are 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, again 4 carry over, 5 ones are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, with ones are same digits we will get 19931. Okay, last digit, 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18, again 2 9s are 18, 19, 2 ones are 2, 3. Let us add 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 9 and 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 9 and 18, plus 2, 20, 28, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, this much I am getting students. 428515. I am rubbing this, and here I will be writing the product. 428515. 428515. You can see students here the calculation is very long, but we have to do it na. So take your time, do it patiently. Okay, then only you are going to get the correct answer, plus the remainder, that is 8. So let us add. So 5 plus 8 will give us 13, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, 1 carry over, 6 plus 1 7. Just copy rest of the digits. Now let us match it. 4285, 4285, 173, 173. That means this division is also perfect. Clear students? So this was question 13, point A and B. Now let us see two more questions, point C and D. Then students, for this last 2 points will be your work. Okay, you are going to do it as homework, point E and F. So now we will be solving point number C and D. First note it down. So students, point number C and D for question number 13 I have solved. Here we have to divide 8,90,132 with 305. We got the question test 2,918 and question test 142. Sorry, remainder as 142. So when I multiplied the quotient with divisor and added remainder to it, I got the number equal to the dividend. That means our answer is correct. Same for point number D. So students, here I have already solved. Because the pattern is same, you just have to divide and you have to check. So that's all for today, students. With this we have completed our exercise 3 for chapter number 2. Now your work, you have to do the homework, that is question number point number E and F for question number 13. Thank you.